this is Dr. Mercola, and today I want to talk to you about one of the most interesting and unique mushrooms, chaga. Chaga mushrooms only grow in colder climates, primarily on birch trees. So when a birch tree loses branches in a bad storm, these chaga mushrooms can form over the wound, creating a protective type of scar that helps the tree survive, while the chaga mushrooms symbiotically live off the nutrients from the birch tree. This intertwined relationship between birch trees and chaga mushrooms allows harvesters to collect these mushrooms year after year from the same trees. Chaga has a much different appearance than your average mushroom. It actually looks like a chunk of coal or a burnt loaf of bread, which I'm sure you're not eating. It also contains some unique biologically active compounds. You see, chaga is rich in polysaccharides like other mushrooms, but it also contains betulinic acid, ergosterols, and triterpenoids. Now, I know that sounds like a mouthful, and it is, but these are some of the compounds that have driven the popularity of this unique mushrooms. Now, I was lucky enough to meet a group who collects organically certified wild-crafted chagas from the Finnish Lapland, which is north of the Arctic Circle. The highest quality chagas can be found in these wild forests, where humans have been consuming them for thousands of years for their many benefits, such as helping to balance your immune system, supporting healthy cholesterol levels, and optimizing a normal, healthy inflammatory response. The outer shell of the wild varieties is called the sclerotium, which is where the highest concentration of these polyphenolic fractions exist. Our chaga mushroom tablet contains 25 milligrams of these polyphenols and 40 milligrams of beta-glucans for each serving. Now, this diverse array of beneficial compounds is unique to birch-grown chaga, as the mushroom absorbs many of these polyphenolic compounds from the birch bark. Now, if you're looking for a high-quality chaga mushroom supplement, then try our organic chaga mushroom tablets to help you take control of your health.